Alright guys, so that completes today's workout. We did a core blast. It was pretty intense. I felt the burn. Now it's important that we go home and eat right for the rest of the day. High protein, low carbs, eat your greens, stay hydrated, and watch the pounds come off, watch the inches come off, guaranteed. Like I said, if y'all stay tuned, you'll get to see all the nutrition plans that I formulated and have been implementing, and you could lose weight just off of the nutrition plan. If you follow it to the T, you'll definitely lose 3 to 5 pounds in a week's time just off eating right. If you incorporate exercise, you obviously increase the weight loss. This is really about transitioning from an unhealthy lifestyle to a healthy lifestyle. Let's get healthy now so you don't have to be in and out of the hospital in a few years, taking pills, unnecessary pills, and all these other supplements and medications that you really don't need. So let's do it the natural way. It's harder, but it's definitely possible to do. So stay tuned. If you haven't followed, please follow. More videos on the way. The live is on the way. Let's stay connected. Let's grow together. Muscle up, baby.